50 years ago, the University of Kent first opened its doors to 500 students and 150 staff. Yes, the campus was still a building site and something of a mud bath. But you couldn't have a happening in the 60s without mud. Right from the start, humanities research was an essential part of the university. Times and fashions have changed and the university has grown to accommodate over 19,000 students with a new campus in Medway and centres in 4 European capitals. Humanities research has also developed, spanning everything from architecture to religious studies. The humanities faculty alone has hundreds of PhD students and 224 research staff. Some of their methods are so radical that they make the trends of the 70s and 80s look dull. We not only research in traditional ways, but also use techniques such as practice as research, where the creation of, say, a poem, an artwork, a performance or a film is the research itself. Even conventional written works are unpredictable and can end up going far beyond the originally intended result. The action of writing defines the majority of our research projects. Humanities research often doesn't have simple, easy-to-quantify goals, and its outcomes could be anything from a monograph or book to a piece of installation art, a play, or a work of music. This also makes its outcomes notoriously difficult to measure. But there's one impact it always has. It makes people think. At Kent, humanities researchers don't just stick to their own subjects. They're innovators, bringing in other disciplines to aid their research, like our colleagues in drama, who have collaborated with experts from the School of Psychology for their research project, Imagining Autism. Given the challenges inherent in measuring humanities research, it's hardly surprising that making successful grant applications is difficult. Gaining a grant can be a double-edged sword. It's great for career progression, but can take researchers into public engagement roles and away from writing their precious next book. But even though there never seems to be enough time for research, humanities research is stronger than ever, scoring well in REF 2014. Research power has increased over 100%, and we were in the top 20 in a range of subjects for research intensity. Our grade point average is up, and for music, drama, dance and performing arts, we are number 1 for research power. At any given time, there are 224 brains thinking about their research projects at weekends, and even when they're cooking their dinner or out for a walk. And about 40% of these ever-thinking brains came to Kent from overseas. As the UK's European university, we are a very attractive prospect to academics from all over the world. Their diverse backgrounds and different perspectives add unique depth to our research capacity. But amid all this diversity, one thing is constant. We're going to keep people thinking over the next 50 years with humanities research right at the heart of the University of Kent.